Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam. We are going to start a courses called fertility courses for 48 days detox plan courses. This course will be giving you a diet for pure diet for fertility and then pure practice for your fitness level, increasing your fitness level, increase your fertility, everything will be fit up and your fit of your mindset. Okay, the three things we are covering up this 48 days classes, and we already talk about that classes. Jothi asking me some questions.
Yes, Asan. So, Asan, when we are discussing casually, you talked about Padmasana. How Padmasana is related to infertility? Can you explain a little bit about it?
You know, the asanas have so many different type of asanas. There is a 12 main asanas was a very important asanas for everybody how to do these 12 asanas. Okay, even the warriors, all the 4 genetics have to practice this. Each 4 genetics have 3 main asanas. Okay, like a Padmasana. Padmasana is one of the main asanas for brahmacharis. All the brahmacharis have to sit in a Padmasana because of Padmasana will block the tendons to control the desire, love desire, sexual desire, everything is controlled. That's why the Padmasana will always is a main asanas for brahmacharis. Brahmacharis called as a bachelors. So the yogi, basically yogi is all the bachelors. Yogi is not living in a married life. But the rishis and siddhas have to married life. So no yogis will marry. Okay, that is a tradition of our yogis. As a yogi must be a bachelors. Okay, siddhar must be married. Rishi have to be married. You can't unmarried people called as a rishi. Unmarried people called not as a siddha. So they have to live with the family. But the only yogis is unmarried people. Have not to be married. If you married, you will not be yogis. So that is the science of yogis. Okay. Yogi means a bachelor, but when you are bachelor practice, you have to do the Padmasana is one of the main asanas. Most Padmasanas was making our peoples are controlling your desire, you forgot your life, you forgot your detachment of this living, detachment about the body. You have to go attachment with the soul level. So detach the body level, attach the soul level. That is why we have to sit in Padmasana for more than 8 hours of sitting in Padmasana. 8 hours sitting in Padmasana, you are off of the body. Below your belly button, his all will be numbed. The body will be numbed. So when you get numbed, and then you never get a desire of your life, sexual desire, love desire, marriage desire, nothing will be happen. So that is Padmasana. People are nowadays, they are young people are doing so many asanas and doing this, and they have a lot of troubles, they have issues, they follow up. So that is a fertility course. We are starting it, the 48 days detoxing courses. People who are interested, you can join in these courses. That course will give you a right diet, right strengthening your muscles, organs, mindset, everything will be giving up these classes. Build up your boost all the 27 organs. Okay, so this is a course we are starting at the moment. You have any doubts, Jothi?
No, Asan, completely explained. So in this 48 days, they have to follow the diet which you are describing.
Yes. I also giving the places we have the people who are some of them supplying the organic rices, organic foods, organic grains. So we have to giving them finding for you for the buying what are the rices. Different people on different rices. Females are different rices, males are different rices, and this is a war between the hormones. Okay, that is one thing we have to understand ourselves. What asanas will control the hormones, what asanas control the androgen, and what asana control the estrogen. So that and what exercise is androgen based and what exercise is estrogen based. So it is making up your classes depends on the hormone deficiency. What are the hormones you don't have enough? So you have to increase your hormones and build your strength, build your immunity through these courses.
The course is commencing from May 1st.
Plan for May 1st. If it's not enough people, maybe change it to be 15th May. But basically, we are planning for start in May 1st. Depends on the members of people. But because I want to put a big effort, I want them quite members, not less members, quite numbers of people will be there. Then we will start the process.
Thank you so much, Asan, for connecting Padmasana and infertility. It's a very new information for all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you for everyone.